Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, please share some YouTube love. This will inspire me to bring you even more insider affiliate content. In this video I will guide you through the process of building an online presence as a beginner. In this ever-evolving digital era, the internet has become a vast marketplace where countless opportunities await those who dare to explore them. Affiliate marketing is one such opportunity that offers the potential for financial freedom, flexibility, and limitless growth. Before we embark on this journey together, let us first understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Simply put, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services on behalf of merchants or companies. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your promotional efforts. It is a win-win situation for all parties involved. The merchant gains exposure and customers, the affiliate earns a commission, and the consumer finds valuable products or services. Now, how does one embark on this venture? The answer lies in building a strong online presence. In today's interconnected world, your online presence serves as a virtual storefront, a platform to engage with your audience, establish trust, and showcase the products or services you are promoting. In the following sections, I will guide you through the essential steps to establish your online presence and lay the foundation for a successful affiliate marketing career. 1. Define your niche. The first step in building your online presence is to identify your niche, the area of expertise or the specific market segment you will focus on. Your niche should align with your interests, passion, and knowledge. By selecting a niche that resonates with you, you can effectively connect with your audience and provide valuable content that addresses their needs and interests. 2. Research and select affiliate programs. Once you have defined your niche, it is time to research and select suitable affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer products or services relevant to your niche and provide competitive commission rates. Some popular affiliate networks to consider are Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, Online Business App, and ShareASale. Additionally, explore individual company websites to find direct affiliate partnerships that align with your niche. 3. Build your website. Now that you have chosen your niche and selected affiliate programs, it's time to build your website, the cornerstone of your online presence. Your website will serve as a hub for your audience to discover your content, learn about the products or services you recommend, and engage with you. Choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress or Wix to create your website, and focus on designing an aesthetically pleasing and easily navigable interface. 4. Create compelling content. Content is king in the realm of affiliate marketing. To attract and retain your audience, you must consistently produce high-quality, valuable content that addresses their needs, answers their questions, and provides solutions. This content can take various forms, including blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. Ensure that your content is well-researched, engaging, and optimized for search engines to increase its visibility. 5. Utilize search engine optimization (SEO). To enhance your online presence, you must understand the power of search engine optimization (SEO). SEO involves optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your site. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords for your niche, and incorporate them strategically into your content, titles, headings, and meta descriptions. Additionally, focus on building quality backlinks to improve your website's authority. 6. Leverage social media. In today's digital landscape, social media platforms are invaluable tools for expanding your online presence. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience and engage with them consistently. Share your content, interact with your followers, join relevant communities and groups, and leverage social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Remember to maintain a consistent brand voice and provide valuable insights to build trust and credibility. 7. Engage with your audience. Building an online presence is not just about promoting products. It is about building relationships with your audience. Engage with your audience through comments, emails, and social media interactions. Respond to their queries, address their concerns, and offer personalized recommendations. By fostering genuine connections, you establish trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. 8. Analyze and optimize. As you progress on your affiliate marketing journey, it is crucial to continuously analyze and optimize your efforts. Utilize analytics tools like Google Analytics to track the performance of your website, measure the effectiveness of your content, and identify areas for improvement. Experiment with different strategies, monitor conversion rates, and refine your approach based on data-driven insights. 9. Stay updated and evolve. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and it is essential to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in affiliate marketing. Join industry forums, attend webinars, and follow influential affiliate marketers to stay informed and inspired. Embrace change, adapt to new technologies, and continuously evolve your online presence to remain competitive in this dynamic field. In conclusion, affiliate marketing presents an incredible opportunity for beginners to build an online presence and thrive in the digital realm. By defining your niche, selecting suitable affiliate programs, building a website, creating compelling content, utilizing SEO and social media, engaging with your audience, analyzing and optimizing, and staying updated, you can establish a strong foundation for your affiliate marketing career. Remember, building an online presence is not an overnight process. It requires dedication, perseverance, and consistent effort. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and celebrate every milestone along the way. As you embark on this adventure, always keep in mind the power of authenticity, integrity, and providing value to your audience. Now, armed with this knowledge, it is time for you to take the leap into the world of affiliate marketing. Let your online presence shine brightly, and may it pave the path to success, fulfillment, and financial freedom. If you would like to learn our #1 way to start a hyper-profitable online business without any previous experience, please check out the Online Business app. The Online Business app is a revolutionary affiliate platform that offers a unique opportunity to earn your first $100,000 and beyond. Through the Online Business app, you can gain access to weekly mastermind success training and mentorship. This is a great option for those who are ready to hit the ground running. I will include my affiliate link in the description. Thank you. And may your affiliate journey be filled with success. Remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.